Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the handwriting font on Windows 11 to actually use a font and not just your handwriting. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start icon and select Settings. So go ahead and left click on that, and then you want to go select the Bluetooth and Devices option. On the right side, you want to go down and select Pen in Windows Ink. So go ahead and open that up. And then where it says use your handwriting to enter text, click the drop down. And there should be a font in here. You can expand that and then select a font from this list. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.